Freddie. Freddie. Oh, God, he's on. 19-inch Pensacola Bay redfish. Very, very interesting. All right, I'm definitely seeing stuff break the water right out here. There it is. There it is. There it is. Just don't know if I can get there. Oh, we got a fish on, folks. All right. I saw him breaking out there. Finally saw a batch, and I just haven't been able to get all the way out to him yet. A hardtail. A little hardtail here. Great bait for kingfish. They're out here feasting on the glass minnows this morning. Definitely another match the hatch lesson. There it is. Look at the actual profile of that jig. You got about 1.5 inch, 2 inch little bait target. They don't mind the fact that the hook's there. Go get it. That's 1-0, right? All right. Yeah, when I caught that one, it was at the very end of a very, very long cast. I'm only actually throwing a 7-foot rod right now. It's generally what we use for inshore flat stuff or canal fishing. Generally throw with a lot bigger, or longer anyway, rod out here at the beach to get crazy distance with some heavier lures. Look at that technique. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Uh-oh. He's on. No, I didn't.
It's a ladyfish.
It's a ladyfish? Okay. Oh, got dolphins out there. It's a big one. Uh-oh.
Bring a moist towelette?
I did not bring a moist towelette. Nah, that'd be so wrong.
Got a jumper.
Oh, we got a jumper. Does that ladyfish have a fly, a sabiki caught on it?
Here. Poor thing.
That's unusual.
Who was fishing with that out here?
This ladyfish has a fly stuck in its tail.
We're going to save its life.
Or a sabiki or whatever.
Little surgery.
Is it on a treble or on a single hook?
Single hook.
Must have been part of a sabiki. Very, very interesting. All right. Well, we kind of just did that fish a favor, I think.
I think so too.
It's not often you can say that in our line of work. Look at that technique. Oh, do we have a different? All right, man.
Bluefish.
Mixing it up this morning. It's a nice blue. Kicking my butt, man. Very nice fish. Here you go. Bring me luck, Freddie. Fred, did you just make that water go on my shoe? Freddie? Freddie? Oh, Lordy. That is a scary fish right there. Oh, the good old leather jacket. Man, those will put a hurting on an individual. All right, here.
How bad does it hurt, Greg?
Oh, how bad does it hurt? Oh, geez. Had one of those go into my finger last year, and it was a bad thing. Don't touch a leather jacket. Public service announcement. And here you go. And he got another one.
Ain't nothing but, I think it's the same fish.
It's hooked the exact same way. Dude,
That was close.
it was close. All right, you got the hot hand with the leather jackets. We have changed venues. Like to get a redfish on this flat. They are spooky as all get out. And there's a lot of wind coming straight here, so I'm just gonna head all the way to the end of the dock and throw with the wind coming back. Water's all broken up, so their visibility might not be quite as good. May keep them from being quite as spooky. Man, that white swimming mullet really shows up well in this murky water. I'm already getting some tugs from what feels like pinfish or pufferfish, but nothing's just straight up eating it. Okay, so this might be a problem. In that I really pretty much already know that I'm dealing with pufferfish here, because that was a clean cut and I can see the two little beak marks. I don't know if you can see that, a little 1, 2 that show me that that was definitely a pufferfish that did that. And I would be putting on gulps for days if I didn't switch over to the old trusty Z-Man baits here. This is when these Z-Man baits really shine. I'm gonna go with that same color. Pearl was really showing up in that super murky water that we've got from all the prevailing southwest winds. All right, go catch something. Looks good from up here. oh, God, he's on. Oh, are we rolling? Oh, thank you, Jesus. We are rolling. That was unreal. Hopefully that take will show up, but man, he nailed it on the fall, people. Wow. Man, that was exciting. Oh, jeez. All right. Well, we're about to see how good we got him. Tighten the drag on down and give him the alley-oop. 1, 2, and 3. And we got a redfish on the deck, people. Da 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 da. That's your theme song, Redfish. Da 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 da. All right, let's see. We have a approximately 19-inch Pensacola Bay redfish. Congratulations. I just made you semi-famous. Man, got him good in there. All right. That pretty little fish. How about that? Nice afternoon, huh? Pretty spots. Just got one on this side. All right. Go back to your home. There you go. Yeah, hey. Superfly.